Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here's a quick recap on my rebuild of the camper, my Ford Control. I've made some hinges so long for the bonnet so it can go open and close. I've put this on so far just to see how it's going to be more or less. Here's the seat box I've put in. Took out the steering there. I just need to paint it. Here's a quick update also here on the back. I'm putting new bars on here for the frame. There you can see also I built a new frame for there on the back. So I'm busy here. I've got some plates already for the roof also. This roof it's going on top here. So it's just a quick recap on where I am so far.